Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Twitch directly from your mobile phone. First, open the Twitch app on your phone. Once it's loaded, head to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your Twitch profile where you can access all your streaming and account options. Next, look at the bottom middle for the plus icon and tap on it. This opens the Create menu where you can start streaming or upload clips. Here, you'll see multiple options for content creation. From the Create menu, select Stream Games. This will bring up a list of games and categories that are available to stream. You can scroll or search for your favorite game in this list. Use the search bar to find the game you want to stream. In this example, we select Call of Duty. Once selected, Twitch will prepare your stream setup for this specific game. Now you'll see the stream setup screen. Here, type in your stream title. Make it catchy so viewers know what your stream is about. Next, adjust your microphone and device volume to make sure your voice is clear and the game sound is balanced. You can tweak these settings according to your preferences. After everything is set up, tap the purple circular button at the bottom of the screen. Enable your microphone if it's off, and Twitch will start broadcasting your live stream instantly. You can now watch your followers join and interact with your chat in real time. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to live stream on Twitch from your mobile. It's quick, easy, and perfect for sharing your gameplay or favorite content anytime. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe to Solution Lab for more simple gaming and streaming tips. Also, leave a comment below if you want me to cover more Twitch tricks and streaming hacks. I'll show them in the next video.